friends, I have a good news for you today. Do you know that you are a hero? Maybe you may think not, yes or no, but let me tell you, you are a hero. You know, when you talk about heroes, you usually think about people like Nelson Mandela. You think of a person like Mohandas Gandhi. You know, he was given this title of Mahatma because he was which means a great soul. He was a good person which fights for the liberty of Indian people from the British Empire domination. And if the way he did it, that was the best, that's the reason why people call him a great soul. Because what he did, if he asked for their rights in a non-violence way, this one is called Mahatma. He fought for the equality of people, the rights of people, for the unity of the country. So friends, you are a hero, you are a watchman for your community. You need to take care of your community in that area of gifting, of what God puts in you. You know, it is pity people die with water, yet in the communities those people die with fast. You have that water in you which needs to serve the whole community. You have that things you can do for the community. Maybe it can be in sports, it can be in education, it can be in your career. That stuff you need to do for the community, and you need to expose them to the community so the community can benefit from them. Maybe you can also listen to what God told Jeremiah. He said to him in Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5, "Before you were formed in the body of your mother, I had knowledge of you. And before your birth, I made you holy." David proclaimed like this, "My flesh was made by you, and my parts joined together in my mother's body. I will give you praise, for I'm strangely and delicately formed. Your work are great wonders, and of this my soul is fully conscious. My frame was not unseen by you when I was made secretly and strangely formed in the lowest parts of the earth. Your eyes saw my unformed substance. In your book all my days were recorded, even those which were purposed before they come into being." That is, friends, God planned everything for you before even you exist on this earth. Before even you come to this world, God has planned everything for you so that you can be the person who will do great and extraordinary stuff on this world. So friends, we all been created for a purpose, and that we have to find that purpose is in us, and we have to take it outside of us and make it an exploitation towards people. We have to show it and exploit it so that people can benefit from it. And you know what? The problem we have in this world is the problem of sin. Sin has locked the truth to our life. Sin has stopped us from fulfilling what God planned for us since the beginning. And the reason why Jesus came and be again our hero and save us from sin. Now, and what is what Jesus proclaimed when he was here on earth. He said like this, "The Spirit of the Lord is on me, because I'm marked out by him to give good news to the poor. He has sent me to make well those who are brokenhearted, to say that the prisoner will be let go, and the blind will see, and to make the wounded free from their chains, and to announce that time has come when the Lord will save his people." So Jesus came to save his people, to save God's people from their weaknesses, from their bondage. He set you free so that you can be the right person to do the right thing on the right time in your life. So he said again in Matthew 28, verse 18 to 20. It says like this: Jesus drew near and said to them, I've been given all authority in heaven and on earth. Go then to all people everywhere and make them my disciples. Baptize them in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, and teach them to obey everything I have commanded you. And I will be with you always to the end of ages. Now know that God, Jesus, the Holy Spirit will be with you always. So don't fear anything. Have faith in God. Work towards what He has asked you to do. And you know what? Those things He has been asking you to do are inside of you. You just need to take them out and do extraordinary deeds in your life. With Jesus, you are unstoppable. God will be with you and He will lead you through accomplishments of your talents and gifts in your life. God bless you. Till next time.